If you're thinking about starting a business or have already started, learn now the 10 key secrets that you need to know before you start planning to open a business. They are essential and will make you do an indispensable self-analysis to undertake the right and successful way. You can be sure that you will know yourself much more than you imagine and will be able to prepare yourself even more for your entrepreneurial journey. Entrepreneurs are always looking for new and bigger goals. And when setting a goal, many of them link their desires to the beginning of a new cycle. However, starting to manage your own business is not easy. Many points will have to be worked on, and you will need to put in a lot of effort and have a lot of willpower. To start a business, experts recommend developing a business plan, conducting market research, studying the target audience well, setting up working capital, a marketing plan, and financial planning, among other very important points. And that is right, yes. But before that, pay close attention to these 10 simple secrets to help you prepare even more for your entrepreneurial journey ahead. Focus on what matters. So, let's go. 1. Analyze your past to be successful in the future. It is important to pay close attention to what was done in the past. Entrepreneurs need to value all their successes and study the mistakes they make so that they do not repeat themselves. Analyze very carefully what was accomplished and see how to take advantage of your successes and improve them even more, and also how to minimize or even eliminate future mistakes. 2. Make a commitment to yourself. When setting a goal, commit to achieving it every day. For real. If your goal is to open your own business or something else by a certain date, make it happen. Commitment and resilience are two words that cannot be left out of your mind. Don't procrastinate and be as productive as you can. Try to set goals, both final and intermediate. This will give you deadlines to achieve your goals and continue moving towards success every day. 3. Find your purpose. Try to define, understand, and clearly see your purpose, both in your life and in your business. Purpose makes us believe in the path to be followed. This gives us true motivation and inspiration every day, always increasing our energy to achieve our goals and objectives. Many beginning entrepreneurs blindly seek money. However, keep in mind that sustainable money is a consequence and result of your solid and well-done work every day. Doing something well for a long time works much better when you have a well-defined purpose, something that you truly believe in and has a lot of value to you. Work with something that you are truly passionate about, which is what we are going to talk about now. 4. Work with something you're passionate about. Make a list of all the types of interests or subjects that you have an affinity for and enjoy. If possible, something that you're passionate about. Keep in mind that working with something you like and know well is much more advantageous than working with something you don't know or don't like. Being an entrepreneur works much better when we know the subject and its area. This way, we will have a much greater basis for obtaining relevant information and being able to work well with it daily. So, to be successful, working with something you're passionate about is essential. Therefore, making this list will give you a broader view of your preferences and analyze what you like. 5. Define your priorities. Having priorities is essential in the life of entrepreneurs. When you start your entrepreneurial journey, you will realize that many tasks will need to be done. But if you try to do everything at the same time, you will lack focus and will lose your productivity at some point. And this is quite dangerous because it can end up demotivating you. So, write down all your desires and then start prioritizing what you consider most important. Once you've done that, put these items on a schedule and work on all your deadlines. This will help you organize yourself better and be more productive. You will certainly be more motivated to keep moving forward. 6. Be focused. Once you have established your priorities and put them into a schedule, now is the time to make it all happen. At this point, you need to focus on what is important and concentrate on that. The focus will help keep you moving forward every day. If you don't have focus, you may waste time and your goals will not be achieved. This way, you will probably end up becoming unmotivated. Remember, without focus, you will not have concentration. And without concentration, you will not get anywhere. 7. Take care of yourself every day. All your effort and planning will be useless if you are not in good mental health, especially with yourself. Eating a healthy diet, doing physical activities, and continuing to do the things you enjoy. This is very important for successful entrepreneurship. This will make you feel good and consequently have more exposure to continue on your entrepreneurial journey. In addition, your self-esteem will also be boosted, which will greatly help you to continue to thrive in your business. 8. Critical thinking. Basically, this is the ability to make a reflective judgment based on the analysis of facts, comments, experiences, or situations in order to form your own concrete opinion. All of this is done through criteria such as clarity, truthfulness, logic, precision, breadth, relevance, and depth. And this is essential in entrepreneurship and business management. Having a critical analysis will give you a more comprehensive and strategic vision to know what is working and what can be improved, in addition to finding and taking advantage of opportunities and standing out in the market. 9. Flexibility. Having a flexible mind is also very important because unexpected things will happen in our lives, even constantly. Therefore, flexibility will help you to be able to adapt and prepare for each situation in the best possible way. This way, you will understand everything that may be happening differently than planned. So, study ways and means to be able to adapt and make things work positively. Flexibility will be very important so that we don't get shaken by any kind of unforeseen event. It can be very important in many types of situations. It also brings great benefits and improvements. 10. Optimism and courage. Being optimistic brings a positive attitude. In other words, when something unexpected happens, such as a problem, optimism will make us find solutions rationally and coherently, without despair. Seeing the positive side in all situations will give us more clarity to find improvements. In the same way, to undertake, you need courage. It will be difficult to find the perfect scenario to start your own business. Therefore, having the courage to start is essential. And considering all the tips we have mentioned here, you can be sure that your courage will appear naturally. When you can plan your business idea very well, you will have the courage to start living your entrepreneurial journey every day. These were our 10 tips to keep you ahead of the game with your entrepreneurship. They are very important for you to know before you start planning your own business, focusing on what matters and has value for you. And if you want to get your own business off to a good start and be successful, be sure to develop a business plan. This is essential to know if your business idea has a chance of success and if it makes sense. So, if you want to know how to work on the business plan for your idea or project, watch the video that explains exactly that. To watch it, just click on this button above or the link in the description. And just to recap what we talked about here, analyze your past to be successful in the future. Make a commitment to yourself. Find your purpose. Work with something you're passionate about. Define your priorities. Have focus. Take care of yourself every day. Critical thinking, flexibility, optimism, and courage.
We hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to know more about how to set up and manage your own business, visit our YouTube channel where we have several videos about this subject, and if you liked it, share this video with your friends and family to help them too. Thanks and see you next time.